favorite filmmaker of 20 years, truck driver last 3 years, and now I got a drone. I travel this country capturing the most beautiful sights that I see, and I'm here to talk about it all, from the West Coast to the East Coast, from the Midwest to the Deep South. On this channel, you get to see and meet some amazing things and some interesting people. I never know where my next load will take me, how long I'll be there, what kind of fabulous sights I'll be able to film with my drone. Join me on this experience and follow this trucker with a drone.